that. See that ring through it? Look.
Yeah.
If you're going to see anything, you'd see that through, wouldn't you?
Hmm.
Yeah. So muslin, and then that, and I'd be using it for like really, really gathered styles.
And it's a linen viscose mix, is it? What's the composition of the
43
pattern?
linen, 35 rayon, and 22 spun rayon. So they're all nice, breathable, plant-based fibres. Yeah. It's got a good animal vibe. Tribal, animal.
Can we just have a look at the muslin underneath?
Yeah, that's your muslin.
Oh, nice.
100% cotton.
And the two layers go together
Yeah,
well.
and the weave is very, very similar. Look at it.
Hmm. Lovely, nice combination.
Yep.
There we go. New fabric of the month until the end of March. 2 fabrics.